Yep.
So, me and Coby, we hunted third season. No luck. Pretty rough hunting. Heard some toms. Couldn't get anything to commit. So we ended up going back for fourth season. There were some extra tags over the counter for sale. I bought a tag. Coby bought a tag, and then our camera guy Eric bought a tag as well. And hoping to get down there and have some luck again. And sure enough, we got down there. Went out roosting the night before, and high hopes for the morning. Here come 3 jakes, and we all had tags, but our goal was to get Coby to shoot his first turkey. That fucker piled up. Holy shit.